If a student has accommodations or there are other extenuating circumstances, such as an incomplete, we may need to override a quiz or assignment settings for a student. These settings may include the time limit, due date, or number of attempts. Start by selecting a quiz we'd like to change. On the left-hand side, click Overrides underneath Quiz Administration, and then select Add User Override. Select the student or students in question from the drop-down. You can add a password if you want, change the open and close dates for this student, and also change the amount of time and number of attempts afforded. Once you are done, you can hit Save or save and enter another override to add criteria for another student. Once you hit Save, you'll see the override page has been updated to show what overrides you have set. If you need to edit or delete an override, select the pencil icon to edit or the trash can icon to delete. If you have additional questions, please reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning.